Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Honda Ridgeline. First, find your vehicle's main display or radio unit. It's important to know if your Ridgeline has a touchscreen interface or relies on physical buttons for adjustments. Also, make sure your vehicle's power mode is on, but you don't necessarily need the engine running to access these settings. For many Ridgeline models, especially older ones, you'll use physical buttons. Start by pressing and holding the clock or scan button on your radio until the time display begins to flash. Once it's flashing, use the button labeled H or 1 to cycle through and set the correct hour. Then, use the M or 2 button to adjust the minutes to your desired time. If your Honda Ridgeline has a touchscreen display, the process is a bit different. Begin by tapping the Home button on your screen. From there, navigate to and select the Settings icon. Within the Settings menu, look for an option like Clock Info or Clock Settings. Finally, choose Clock Adjustment to access the controls for changing the hour and minutes on your vehicle's clock. After making your adjustments, finalize the new time by pressing Enter, OK, or the clock button one more time, depending on your specific model. Keep in mind that some Ridgeline models with navigation systems automatically set their time using GPS signals, so manual adjustment might not always be necessary. For more great tips, including financial wisdom, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.